Hey friends, if you encounter problems with the USB-C connections on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, when I say USB-C connections, it basically means the USB-C type port, and this port has the ability to charge your computer as well. So the first reason can be that the USB functionality is limited on your system. This is because it is not supported on each and every computer. The second one is that it may not be recognized, and in this case, you will have to check for the problems with drivers. So, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Now, scroll down to the USB Universal Serial Bus Controllers, and you can update all of these drivers one by one. It's easy. All you need to do is right click on it, select update, and search automatically for drivers. The next one is that the charger might be slow. Now, when I say charger might be slow, I mean your laptop's charger. So, if this is the case, then I suggest you to use the charger and cable provided with your computer, with your laptop. But if you cannot do it, and if you're using compatible charger, make sure that the amperes and voltage are the same or at least as close as possible to the original charger. The second one is can that the PC isn't charging. Now, in this case, you can check for that light, a tiny light on your laptop, whether it is picking up the charge or not. If it is not, then you can check whether the issue is with the charger or the system itself, or maybe the electricity might be cut off at that point of time. After this, you can check for Thunderbolt device functionality, which might be limited. And for that, you will have to investigate the dongle, whether it is using an external hub or a dock. And if it is using a dock, then is that dock good, or whether it has a problem. There are a few more solutions, but the best workaround would be to try using a different USB port at that point of time. Now, here's the thing: the USB-C port is very different from other USB ports, so it can be easily recognized. Now, as for other USB ports, USB 2.0 is black in color, and USB 3.0 is blue in color. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel because we really need subscribers. And if not, then please let us know in the comment section on how we could improve it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.